Welcome to TriRide Pack 365. So today is the last session of our data type. Means in this session we are complete our all collection data type. The last one will be dictionary. Okay, so how the dictionary we need to create, how to assign, what is the features that are available in our dictionary, each and everything we are going to see. So guys, as of now, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to the TriRates. Okay. So then how to declare a dictionary? To declare a dictionary, we are using this curly braces. Means by the help of this, we can find a dictionary. Okay. Guys, if you want to see that particular thing, now I just want to create a empty dictionary. Now I just want to see the type of this. Okay. Now if I'm means by default, if you are going to give zero element or non giving any element also, if I'm going to run this type of this D means the empty lit, it gives me the output as my dictionary. Means by the help of this curly braces we can create a dictionary in our Python. Then guys, we know that to separate each and everything, we have using this comma. But in case of our dictionary, one more concept will be there. Okay, so dictionary is a key value pair. Means in every data types, it will having single element. But in this dictionary, it will be having key value pair. Means each key value pair are separated by this column. Means key value pair, okay, key value pair are separated by colon, and each key value pair are separated by comma. Okay, the means this is the main point to create a dictionary. Then now we are going to see if you are going to create dictionary, how to create. So I'll just create a dictionary. Okay, so we know that it will be based upon this key value pair. So I'll create a equal to 20 and two item I need to create. Okay, so 30. Now I just want to print that particular dictionary. Okay, so can I just see if I'm going to run this one, it will be print me A20 and B30. Now we have some property that will be available in our key and value. Okay, means we cannot give any value to key and any value to value. There are some property are there. So the property of keys are, okay, key must be immutable. Means if you are going to give a key name, that key must be a immutable data and single value data. Means either you can give integer, float, then boolean, then float, or set or tuple. Means if you are giving the key as list, set, and dictionary, it will be throwing an error. Okay, then duplicate key are not allowed. Key are not allowed, because if you are going to give that particular duplicate, then old value shall be replaced. I just see here, I just want to give a duplicate key, and here my first a value will be 20. Now I just want to update to 200. Now if I'm going to run this one, the a value will be shifted to my 200, because if we cannot give duplicate key. Okay, so if you are going to give, then old value shall be deleted and new value shall be created in a new memory, and this value will go to that garbage locator. Okay, so this is the property of our key. Then what is the property of this value? Means property value can be any type of data. Value can be any type of data. We can give any type of data. Okay, and duplicate value also allowed. Duplicate value also be allowed. Why? If I'm giving you an example also, now I just want to give a to 30. Okay, means this duplicate value. Now if I'm going to run this one, Just see A30, B30. It will be not doing anything. Okay. So then guys, the next point. So these are different types of that key and value that are property that are available in this. Okay. Then dictionary is the order data type. So it is the order data type. Means if you are going to create this dictionary in the same way also it will be print. Guys, just see in the same way it will be print. Okay. But the main disadvantages will be indexing and slicing not supporting. Why? Because if you are going to give like that, it will be throwing sand error. That's why it will be not possible. But order will be possible, but indexing and slicing will not possible. To make this possible, we are going to see by the help of this key name. Okay, means if I want to print like that, D of 1, okay, sorry. So D of 1, it will be throwing an error. Okay, just see. So, wait a second. Just see key error. But guys, here if I'm going to give any key name, it gives me, but the indexing will not support. By the help of this key name, you can find that particular value only. Okay, then list, sorry, the dictionary is a mutable data type. Mutable means after creation you can modify that particular things. Okay, so these the point that are available in our dictionary. Now we are going to see if we are going to create a dictionary in the memory, how it going to work. Okay, so in the memory, first it will be created for variable and value space. Means in the variable space, the variable name will be D and a memory location will be created. By the help of your IT also, you can find that particular things. Okay, then we know that in the value section the value will be stored, but if you see in the value it will be based on this key and value pair. That's why it will be storing in the section of key layer and value layer. If you see guys, in the name of this key layer the name and age will be there. So in the key layer first name will be created and then the age will be created. For this value, if I think like that, I'll take a value called ASU. Means ASU, it will be stored in our sub memory because it will be creating that particular things. Okay, now if you see it will be creating ASU here, you can also use your indexing and slicing because it will be useful for while we are dealing with your this, but it will be not possible, but in the memory it will be possible. Okay, then for this age the for will be printing. Okay, now we are going to see some example related to that problem. Okay, related to that. Okay, so I just want to create that name to Vasu. So guys, in the value, you can give anything. Okay, so yeah, the age will be 24. I'll take. Now, if I'm going to give this name and I just want to print, it will possible, guys. We have already know that particular thing. Okay, so now if I'm going to run this one, it will possible. So it will be gives me the output as my ASU. Okay, now if I'm going to change that particular things, okay, means I just want to add that particular something. So how it going to work? So now I just want to print D of gender. Okay, so here I just want to assign a male. Just see what is the output, guys. Means if you are going to give like that, sorry, yeah, now just see. Sorry, it will be why it's not printing. So yeah, we need to cannot assign to a function called. Maybe you need to instead, means you need to compare both hand side, but we don't need to compare, but we need to assign that particular new value because it is a mutable, but it will be not possible. Okay, so this is how we can find that particular things. If you guys give that particular here, I just want to give double equal to, then what is this output, guys? Just see key error, means we cannot create that particular things. Now guys, then this is our related every point regarding our dictionary. Then guys, we have to see the sum of the value means the default value means we have already seen the every data type. Then there are some default value means if you are not giving, then some value will be automatically shared to that particular variable. Okay, so for this int means for this integer value, the default value for this one will be 0. Okay, means if I'm creating that particular things, if I'm not assigning, the 0 will be this default value to this integer. So this default value also, it will be treated as your falsy value also. Okay, so the default value or the falsy value are, I want to give you for this integer 0 will be there. Then for this float 0 0.0. Okay, then for this boolean, okay, it will be false. Then for the complex, okay, so it will be 0j. Then for the string, empty string. Okay, for the list, it will be creating like empty list. Okay, for the tuple, but in case of a tuple, you need to specify one comma. If you are not specifying it, it will be not possible. Okay, make sure that things. Okay, then sorry, in this case you don't need to give because we are not even checking that single value element or not. Okay, for this set we have that one particular thing will be set only, means if you are giving this symbol, it will be treating for your dictionary only. But for this dictionary also, we have a dic function also, means by the help of this dic also we can create a empty list. Okay, means this is the default value, and for this adding one value will be treated as your false value. Means if you are going to checking this value, this will be always gives you as the false value. Okay guys, so that's all for this session. If you guys having any doubts regarding this variable, then data types, then how to the memory will going to work, you can directly contact to TriRights. Otherwise, from the next session, we are going to see some new concept related to this Python. So guys, thanks for watching TriRights.